God says, let go. So you've been betrayed. You were taken for granted. Despite your efforts to hold your relationships, you were still left behind. You asked God, why me? Why not them? You blame other people and yourself. You are helpless. In moments of solitude, listen. Reflect on the beautiful things that happened in the past. Laugh at it, why that happened. Smile and cherish God's goodness for that wonderful moments. Think of it, God allowed anything to happen in our lives, good and bad. But noticed that what God has given, He alone can take that away. He took that away to replace it with something better. You may not understand it today, but someday you will. Our loved ones who departed already had left a bruised in our hearts. Our partner who left us without no reason made us feel betrayed. All these are without any reason. God says to you, I will give you a new heart. Leave the past, walk forward. The past will not shape our future, but God does. It's time to let go when God says go. Heartaches linger though, but you must follow.